A lot of people got impacted during the COVID time. A lot of people lost their jobs. And we are still in the midst of this crisis. Last year, I was like looking at my to-do list and everything that I really plan to do, traveling and doing a lot of things, weddings. It just went down the drain. Of course, I'm not complaining. Health is the most important thing in our lives. But I just got curious. What's going to happen after the COVID time? Once we all get vaccinated, is the job market going to change? Then I found an amazing research McKinsey just published. I'm going to put the link down below if you want to deep dive and search more. But in this video, I read, I think, a lot of McKinsey research, and I'm going to summarize this for you. Let's see which jobs are going to get an amazing momentum and which jobs are going to diminish and dissolve, and we are not going to see them. I summarized this research for you, so let's get started. In McKinsey research, I found out that, of course, I think this is a no-brainer, is software developers and software quality assurance analysts and testers, they're going to be killing in the game. So when I look at this research, the median annual earnings in 2019, it says 107K. It's a really big number, but if you look at the projected new positions between 2019 and 2029, it's around 316,000 positions. So it's a pretty good number if you look at this one. And the best thing is to become a software engineer, yes, you need a bachelor degree, but you can actually go outside, get a certification, be really good at the coding and everything else, and you can still kill in the game, and you can find a job in the Silicon Valley area or across the United States. But this research is very, very interesting because number one is of course the software developers. The second one, I think this is a no-brainer as well. When I look at this one, it's the registered nurses. So if you look at the research in here, of course, the typical education requirements, it's bachelor's degree. And if you look at the median annual earnings in 2019, it's $73,000. And if you look at the new positions between 2019 and 2029, the number is 2021, it's over 200K. So it looks like this job will be up and rising during the COVID and after the COVID time. And the third one was actually very surprising to me because the job is general and operations manager. I would guess software engineer and registered nurses, but I wouldn't guess the general operations managers. Of course, different type of industries are coming up. So according to this research, of course, typical education requirements, you need bachelor's degree. Median annual earnings in 2019 is around 100K. And if you look at the projected new positions between 2019 and 2029, it's over 143,000. So the next one is financial managers. So when I look at this one, of course, you need a bachelor's degree, but it looks like based on McKinsey's research, median annual earnings in 2019 is 129K. And the projected positions is between 2019 and 2029 is 108. The next one, it's medical and health services managers. And of course, this was a no-brainer like the registered nurses. And it looks like, of course, the typical education requirements, a bachelor's degree, and median annual earnings in 2019 is over 100K. Projected new positions between 2019 and 2029 is over 130K. The other one, nurse practitioners. So if you look at this one, you definitely need a master's degree. And median annual earnings in 2019 is over 100K. It looks like the projected new positions between 2019 and 2029 is over 100K as well. The other one, market research analyst and marketing specialist. I'm sure most of the people are guessing this one as well. Digital marketing, marketing specialist jobs will be on the rise. And the typical education requirements for this position is bachelor's degree. Median annual earnings in 2019 is $63,000. And projected new positions between 2019 and 2029 is over 100K. The other one, accountants and auditors. This job will be up and rising as well. Typical education requirements is bachelor degree and median annual earnings in 2019 is $71,000. The other one, physical therapist. So the typical education requirements is doctoral or professional degree. And median annual earnings in 2019 is $89,000. Projected new positions between 2019 and 2029 is 47,000. The other one, information security analysts. So the typical education requirements for this one is bachelor's degree. Median annual earnings in 2019 is almost 100K, it's 99.730, and projected new positions between 2019 and 2029 is 40,000. The other one, lawyers. So the typical education requirements is doctoral or professional degree. Median annual earnings in 2019 is 122K. And projected new positions between 2019 and 2029 is around 22,000. And the other one, substance abuse, behavioral disorder, and mental health counselors. So the typical education requirements is bachelor's degree, and median annual earnings in 2019 is $46,000. And projected new positions between 2019 and 2029 is going to be 79,000. In addition to the McKinsey research, I also look at the government websites and the Business Insider's recent research as well. So I'm going to put all my research links down in the description below if you want to know more and deep dive. But these are the ones that it really strike my interest. I think things will be changing and still changing during COVID and after the COVID era. So it looks like if you're in these positions, you are pretty set after the COVID time. And now I want to ask you, what do you think about this research, and what do you think about the job market in terms of software developers and registered nurses and general and operations managers? Do you see any other jobs that you feel like after the COVID, they will be on the rise? I'm curious about your thoughts as well. And if you find different type of research about this topic, please write them down below, because I would love to do more research and just educate myself what are the new jobs coming up in the future. If you really like this topic, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, or check out my other videos in here as well. I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye for now.